You have a new fancy S9 and it needs some protection. Welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung S9 Clear View standing cover. This is the front of the packaging and here is the back. Let's get this open. First impressions, this feels very soft but structured at the same time. It has a premium quality about it. Let's remove this plastic off. And one more on the front of the case. There is some more packaging on the inside. Let's get the S9 installed and see how this looks. I'll give it a quick wipe and here we go. Installation is super easy. Here we have it. As you can see, you have the always on display with notification alerts. You cannot interact with the alerts with the cover closed. You will need to open the phone for that. You have good drop protection all around, access to all the ports, and all the buttons work. I am a little annoyed with the number of fingerprints this is picking up. One cool aspect of this case is the standing feature, like so. Here is a shot from the side and the rear. All in all, I personally would not use a case like this. This does feel very premium, but I can't ignore the two glaring issues. One, for the fingerprint magnet craziness. Two, for the added bulk this adds to your phone. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you will be notified when I release new content. And let me know in the comments below, do you use a case for your smartphone?